Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing ideas on how to plan a family picnic. And this is actually a collaboration video with 3 other beautiful YouTubers, a very good friend Shaheen from ZKMyway, Mirza Meal, and Raihana's Cuisine. I will leave all their links down below so you can go and check them out to make your picnic more spiceful. So I planned this picnic when my sister-in-law was visiting us, and I made some chicken tandoori sandwiches. Then I had some mixed chaat in a mason jar, and then I made some Nutella swirl pound cake. And today I'll share my ideas how to pack a picnic basket and what to carry or what not to carry, and of course the recipe of all these yummy food I just mentioned. So let's go and start with my chicken tandoori sandwiches. So for these sandwiches, I first boiled the chicken, shredded, and it's not seasoned at all. It's just a chicken and I chopped them in little chunks. Then I have some yogurt and some tandoori masala. I'll definitely share a recipe soon, but this is a packaged masala. So first just heat the butter in a pan, add your pre-boiled chicken in there. Then add yogurt and your tandoori masala. Just stir everything and cook this mixture on medium to high flame until the masala is fully cooked and yogurt and everything is fully combined. I'll say like around 5 to 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down completely. Then add some mayo in this cooled chicken mixture and mix until the mayo is completely mixed with your chicken. Since I made this for a picnic, I made it a day ahead. So to save up on time, what I did, I made this mixture and put it in an airtight plastic container. You can keep this mixture in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So what I did next day is I took out my chicken mixture, some white bread slices, some silvered onions, and some sliced tomatoes. Now to make your sandwiches more presentable, you can use tissue paper, which you use to wrap up presents or put it in a gift bags, or I found these waxed basket liners at dollar store. Of course, they are like 25 sheets in this package, and they are beautiful, presentable, and of course inexpensive. So for sandwiches, first I toasted my bread, then I take my chicken mixture and spread all over on one side of my bread. Now it's up to you. For the kids, I omit the onions and tomatoes, but you can add as much onions or tomatoes, or if you want to add, you can add the lettuce leaf or any other veggies if you like. I just add the onions and the tomatoes I put on top of it, and then put the other slice of the bread on top of my sandwich. Then cut in half before wrapping it. Then it would be easier for my family and my kids at the picnic time to just grab a little piece. And then I wrap my sandwich in my beautiful wax paper, and I put a little sticky tape at the back to hold the wax paper properly. And then I had a very yummy and filling sandwiches on my picnic table. My family enjoyed it, especially my girls. It was the leftover batter was their next day's school snack. And next on my picnic table was mixed chaat in a mason jar. And for that, things you need will be some mason jars. It's up to you how bigger you want. Then my imli chutney, I'll leave the link down below for that. I already shared the recipe with you guys. Some whipped yogurt, it's just a plain yogurt with some added sugar, some chickpeas, and I'll sprinkle some chaat masala. First add your garbanzo beans or your chickpeas in your mason jar. Then take your whipped yogurt, which is just a plain yogurt, and sugar according to your taste. Spread on top of the chickpeas then layer it with tamarind chutney. You can repeat the layer. I just add a little bit of chickpeas on top of it, then sprinkle some chaat masala, and then that's it. They are ready to go. Just cover them up. I carried papri in a little Ziploc baggie along with that. They were easy, convenient, presentable, and yummy. Without any sweet or dessert, any meal is incomplete. So was my picnic. So we had Nutella, swirl, pound cake. And for that, things you need will be some all-purpose flour, some eggs, unsalted butter, salt, sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder, and of course, Nutella, our all-time favorite. So first, in a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder, and stir everything until it's combined with the flour. You can sift this mixture as well one more time. I already sifted flour and baking powder before mixing it. Then in the glass measuring cup, add eggs and then add vanilla essence to it, and lightly beat those eggs with the vanilla essence and keep this on the side. Then in a stand mixture with pedal attachment, add butter and sugar and cream them together until they are light and fluffy. I would say for about 3 minutes. With the mixture still on a medium to low speed, gradually add your egg mixture until fully incorporated. Then add the flour mixture in 3 batches. Start beating at the low speed between the additions until just incorporated, and then continue to beat and add 30 more seconds to each addition. Then take 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, lightly grease and then flour, and then spread 1/3 of the batter in that prepared pan, and then spread half of the Nutella on top of that batter. And then repeat with another 1/3 of the prepared batter, and then you have to repeat the same process with the remaining of Nutella. Then top it off with the remaining batter. Now with the help of skewer, fork or a butter knife, just very lightly swirl the Nutella into the batter. Make sure you do not overmix at this time. Now in preheated oven at 325 degrees, bake your cake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Then let the cake cool in the pan for at least 15 minutes. Then invert your cake onto a wire rack, turn it the right side up and let it cool completely for about at least 2 hours. And then cut your cake into slices. I know it's hard to resist at this point. The warm and gooey Nutella, oh my god, it's a heaven on earth. Then again, I used my wax liners to wrap this cake. I use a sticky tape to hold the wax liner, and then I make a little teeny tiny bow with the jute cord. I got this jute cord again from a dollar store to make my cake look more presentable. And then after that, because I don't want my cake to get hard or get the air inside, I wrapped with the saran wrap. The rich and buttery pound cake with Nutella swirls in between bites. It was for sure a hit. So to pack my stuff for my picnic, I used this ice box today, and I put ice pack at the bottom of my ice box, and then I put all the beverages or hard stuff, water bottles, juice boxes, pops, soda, and then I used another little thingy of this ice bag. So one is underneath and one is on top of my beverages, which needs to be stay cold. And then I put my mason jars on the side, because again they are hard, all the squishy stuff comes on top. Then I adjusted my cake on the side And then I put my sandwiches because I don't want them to be mushy or mess sandwiches, so they come on top. And that's it. All my food is ready to go for my picnic. And for utensils, I use this picnic set. It has everything from plates till cups, spoons, bowls a person need for a picnic. So here I am at the picnic spot, which was at the park by the lakeside, and I spread everything there on the table for my family, my picnic set with all my utensils, some pops, juices. Don't forget the water. Keep yourself hydrated when you're in the sun. And I always keep little treat for my girls. After all, it's a picnic. Don't forget some napkins, garbage bags, sanitizer, and that's it. Enjoy it with your family. And if you're planning any picnic in near future, or if you try any of the recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you. Leave me a comment down below. And again, just a reminder, it's a collaboration video with other 4 YouTubers. I'll leave all their links down below. Please go and check them out to get more other fun ideas to incorporate in your picnic. And picnics are just about having fun with your family, having fun with your loved ones. So just go out, have fun, enjoy the weather, enjoy your summer. And if you want to learn any other recipe, any other ideas are in your mind which you want me to do it for you, please let me know and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching.